Games Workshop will probably never say Orktober again in any official marketing capacity. And there's a pretty good reason why. It's not very often Games Workshop loses total control of its marketing. However, in this case, they basically gave all the other miniature manufacturers out there something awesome to use every year. And Games Workshop never really used it well in the first place, to be honest. At this point, we don't really see them using Orktober for themselves again. And here's why. Back in 2018, Games Workshop was building up hype for Orcs, finally getting the biggest releases since 2014. They spent the whole month talking about the new Codex, the Speed Freeze box, and much more. It was a great time to be an Orc player as the whole month was dedicated to you. What seemed to trigger people was that the Orktober releases hit shelves in November of 2018 instead. Ever since then, other companies have kept the idea of Orktober going each year. When you look around the web in October, you see so much promotion for Orcs, but Games Workshop has been mum basically since 2018. Even when the Orcs came out for 9th edition Warhammer 40k in 2020, they released them basically in September. That was their only real opportunity in years to use Orktober themselves, and they sort of bungled it. The good news is that October has now become a great time for Orc players in general because of Games Workshop's marketing mistake. Now you have companies like Kron the Chartel Puppets, who are Wargame exclusive, and many, many more doing massive releases, discounts, and just really getting into the spirit. If you ask us, it seems like Games Workshop is just going to try and ignore the phrase from here on out, as it has basically backfired on them. They could have just done it every year and made anything really for Orcs, and people would have stayed excited. I mean, it's not like they don't make a new special Space Marine miniature 3 times a year, right? Either way, though, we don't expect Games Workshop to really ever use the phrase again, big picture-wise, as other companies are using it as a huge marketing strategy every year. And we're honestly okay with that. What do you think? Will Games Workshop ever use Orktober again? Let us know in the comments of our Facebook hobby group or our new Discord server, and make sure you enter the latest monthly giveaway for free today.